we do have a thing called custom segments. This lets you kind of cross-reference all of our database, and
Hmm.
you can work off of a brand or product subcategory. You can just build one completely manually. So I'm going to hit products,
Hmm.
and then in this case, I'm going to. So you said hammers, right?
Hmm.
Like MC Hammer.
Yeah, yeah. All right.
Okay, anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to search our entire database for any product on Amazon.com that has the word hammer in it. Okay, this is not going in a direction. Well, I should have thought about this. As we can see, it's actually pulling up the brand, the
A
Hammer,
brand. Okay.
Arm& Hammer
Okay.
brand. So I'm going to filter down to you're thinking hammers, so tools and home
Hmm.
improvement. So we'll make sure to filter down to the
Mm, nice.
category that we're interested in. And that's
Hmm.
more like it. A
Yeah.
pneumatic hammer.
Yeah.
You're
Yeah.
talking about, of course, a manual hammer,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. 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 That's what I'm thinking about.
So I
Hmm.
don't know what the actual subcategory for that would be. Would it just be hammers?
Well, or otherwise we could do, we can do metal hammer or something like that. Or there we see jewelry hammers.
Hammers and pounding toys, arts and crafts.
Hmm.
The
Yeah.
the
Interesting. Oh,
catalog
that's
the
uh-huh.
catalog on Amazon goes deep. But the simplest way to just
For
check that
hammer game.
is
Yeah.
like wait, I'm in searching. Okay,
What
all
was the song by MC Hammer, man? I'm still that's quite he has quite many probably, but mostly I guess his most popular one. It's anyway. So you found the claw hammers, that is right? The
Yeah, so I guess that's what we're looking at. That's what we're interested in.
okay.
So we would, I'm just doing this to just show another functionality of SmartScout. But so
Mm-hmm.
essentially,
Mm-hmm.
we are going to claw hammers, and we want all products with the keyword hammer in it. So there's 301 on Amazon. I'm going to save segment. So this is pretty cool because now we can see, okay, so hammers are any product in the actual claw hammer category on Amazon that has the word hammer in it,
Mm-hmm.
that's over $500,000 a month on Amazon. Crazy. I would have figured everybody's got a hammer already in their toolbox, but
Hmm.
do they break? I don't know. So you do get some top level info here, which is pretty cool. Most of the hammers on Amazon are really well optimized, so that's not going to be really a strategic advantage there. There's lots of reviews and ratings. Average price, surprisingly, more expensive than I would have thought.
Yeah, yeah.
You've got 85 brands, so you can look at that from a brand perspective. So we see eSwing is going to be the best brand here, doing 100K a month in with just those products. But again, this is just the one subcategory we're talking about, claw hammers.
Mm-hmm.
Just kind of going off on a tangent here, showing a little bit of Smart Scout side tools. You can see all the sellers now. So look, so we have 85 brands, 300 products, but only 140 sellers are selling them, including Amazon Books, which is super strange. So, and then finally, search terms. All the search terms that these 301 products have been identified under, there are 515 of them, and they basically have 1 million clicks in terms of monthly traffic.